How to connect Platinum Karaoke to Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1, using HDMI cable. Step number 1, connect the HDMI cable. Locate the HDMI out port on your Platinum Karaoke machine. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to this port. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI in port on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 2, select the HDMI input on TV. Turn on your Samsung TV and Platinum Karaoke machine. On the TV remote, press source or input and select the HDMI port you connected the cable to. Step number 3, test the connection. Play a song on the Platinum Karaoke machine to ensure the audio and video display on your TV. Method number 2, using RCA cables if HDMI is unavailable. Step number 1, connect the RCA cables. Plug the red, white, and yellow RCA cables into the AV out ports on your Platinum Karaoke machine. Connect the other ends of the RCA cables to the matching AV in ports on your Samsung TV. Step number 2, select AV input on TV. Turn on the TV and karaoke machine. Use the TV remote to switch the input source to AV. Step number 3, test the setup. Play a song on the karaoke machine to verify the sound and video output on your TV.